Hello and welcome to NYCryptoTalk. Thank you for joining me for today's Friday Ontology news and update on the state of the crypto market. Today is August 31st and this is going to be the first weekly update video on Ontology and the news that is going on. Normally I would have included this in my Neo news update, but Ontology is just so big that I needed to be able to break this out and make its own video because there's so many things going on with Ontology. Obviously, I've been away for a couple of weeks, so this is going to be a wrap-up of the past couple of weeks for Ontology, but there's been a ton of things that I can't wait to share with you guys. So please bear with me as I go through all the news that's happened over the past couple of weeks, the highlights, the major partnerships, the announcements, and things that I think that are privy to the Ontology project. So Ontology 2018 master event schedule. So Ontology is making a big push for Meetup events. So as you can see here, we have a couple of events in North America as well as in Asia. So very excited to see that there's a lot of Meetup events being planned, different hackathons, workshops, developer conferences that they are going to be attending. I'm very excited for the Ontology October 30th New York meetup. I do plan to try to go there and attend it once there's more information in regards to it. So please be on the lookout. This page here on the Medium page will be updated frequently with the information in regards to the meetups that they have, both past and present. So as you can see here, it's only up to September 16th, the Singapore meetup. So hopefully after that, they'll be able to get some more of these events onto this page. So check out their Medium page for more information. So one of these events that they did have was a community MainNet event in Tokyo, which was a slam-packed event with a huge presentation from the Ontology team. And a lot of great information was shared with the people who attended. So definitely something to look forward to is being able to go to one of these events for Ontology. If you guys are not aware and you've been hiding under a shoebox for the past couple of weeks, Ontology did go to MainNet on June 30th, 2018. So right now, a lot of people have not made the token swap depending on where their tokens were at the time of the actual snapshot. So if you need to do your MainNet token swap, you have just over 1 month to complete. So please guys, be vigilant, get your Ontology tokens switched over to MainNet. There's a lot of information here on where you can actually do it on the Anto Wallet swap. You can also do it through the O3 or the SIA wallet, and then there's more information in regards to the exchange swap and how to use your ledger to do the swap. So check out the Medium page. There's a lot of great information here on doing the actual MainNet token swap. So Ontology, with the MainNet being live, they actually wanted to make sure that people realize that this is not the end of the project. There's a lot more things going on, the future plans, the existing progress. So they have a nice progress report here of Ontology 1.0, which is what went live on June 30th. They talk about what's existing, and then they also talk about what's currently going on from service partnerships, ecosystem, applications, the governance nodes, the cooperation for the ecosystem, the accelerator, community expansion, so forth. So they also talk about the next version of the platform, which is going to be in Q3, Q4, which they're naming Socrates. And there's a lot more information on what's going to be done, underlying technology going into the platform, the services, and then they talk about the different technical research that's going into the project, as well as community and marketing. So as I mentioned, they're doing a big push to community, something to look forward to with the project. Anto is an Ontology-based wallet, and there's a lot of information here on what it can do, how it's available, and you can get it both on the Google Play Store as well as the Apple iOS Store. So if you guys want to get more information on this, definitely check out onto.app on the website. Ontology just finished a community GIF sticker design competition and they just announced the winners. So they had some really cool participants. So kudos to whoever won these. I definitely am a big fan of this panda. So I'm happy that it's number one. Something that's just a good read is understanding what Ontology Gas is, the ONG ticker, and where you can buy it, where can you store it, what it does, how you can earn it, and what's the difference between claimable ONG and unbound ONG. So there's a lot of great information here as far as how the token works, how the actual structure works for it. So if you guys want to get more information on ONG, definitely check out their Medium page for the quick 4-minute read. So going back to the actual wallets that support Ontology Gas and Ontology MainNet is the O3 desktop wallet. I'm actually looking forward to downloading this and checking it out. It does support Ledger, and it does have a lot of NEP5 tokens as well as the MainNet Ontology. It is very sleek, very nice, very well done wallet. So something you guys should look into if you guys are looking for an alternative wallet. The O3 wallet is very cool. So Ontology is releasing a technical community bounty program. They have actually put out 10% of all of Ontology tokens towards the technical community. So 10%, which is 100 million Ontology, they're putting out there for developers to build for the platform. So there's some really cool stuff out there. If you're a developer and you want to get into Ontology, they're offering up 1,000 Ontology to do a smart contract test framework, SDKs, build a Chrome plugin, anonymous credentials, hardware acceleration, and so on. So if you guys are a developer and you want to look into a project, the bounties offered by Ontology are fantastic, and working with Ontology is just a plus. So Ontology is now using a cryptography expert NCC Group to review their blockchain infrastructure for vulnerabilities, in particular focus on cryptographic findings. So always good to see when a project has a security firm to look at their code to make sure that their system is secure, because the last thing you want to do is find about vulnerability hacks, issues in the future that hasn't been vetted by technology team. So some partnerships that Ontology has announced recently, there's a handful of them. The one that I just thought was really interesting is Alive, which is a public chain for creating smart healthcare ecosystem. So they plan to create a decentralized healthcare ecosystem and smart blockchain network by forming a joint technology team and work on DApp design based on Ontology's underlying blockchain technology. So I'm a big fan of pulling healthcare into the decentralized platform. So I think this is something I'm going to be on the lookout for and something that I'm going to keep my eyes on. Another partnership is with Surdick, which is a blockchain security platform. They're going to try to work to build a formal verification and enhance the security and reliability of smart contract and blockchain systems. So always fun to see these types of collaborations. Just a good piece of news going back to the MainNet information that the MainNet swap was complete on KuCoin. All these exchanges that are currently taking place for the token swap, you would want to go to the specific website and pull up the information about the MainNet swap when it takes place. So each exchange will vary. So I hope you guys like this. Please hit like, subscribe, and the bell notification to get notified about more videos. I will be doing weekly Ontology news videos. So next week I'm going to be doing a roll-up of everything that happens from tomorrow, Saturday, September 1st to following Friday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave me a message if you have any questions or comments. Hope you guys have a great evening. Thanks again.